So hey y'all, hey girl, look, listen, I'm back on your screen. In today's video, we will be putting away inventory. We will be putting away lashes, lash boxes, I think some lip gloss tubes, and I don't know what else, but look, listen, that's what we're about to do in this video, so let's jump right into it. This fan in my way. So look, listen, like I said, the first thing we're going to be doing, we're going to be putting away my lashes, and I'm going to be putting them in my Chester drawer. I got this from Impressional Vanity. I had to get me another one because I lost all of my IKEA stuff. I had two Alex 9 drawers that I used for my lashes before I lost my home to fire, so I had to get another one. So I just bought this one for now until I can, you know, do better and get all of my stuff back. So I'm going to move most of my lashes from this shelf and this shelf into this drawer. But first I need to finish putting my knobs on here. So okay, like I said, I need to finish putting my knobs on my dresser drawer. That's what I'm about to do next. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and try to find some type of way of filing this. I think I should be able to get 2 styles in each drawer, I think. I don't know, but let's see. But first, let's get these knobs on here. So okay y'all, I got all the knobs on the dresser. So here's my notebook. This list and this list is all the lashes that I have on my site. Right now, I think I have a total of 30 lashes. I have them named already. When someone places an order, I go by this number here. This is how I know when someone wants something. And same thing over here. Did the same thing over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put the name on top of here because I really don't want to mess up the appearance of the dresser by putting it on the outside, and I'm going to use my Dymo laser tag to do so. So in this first drawer, it would be I wear glasses. That's the name of one of my lashes. Print that out. There we have it. And so I'm just gonna take this paper off. I definitely don't want to make a mess because I just cleaned up. And I'm just gonna place it like this on this side, just like that, but not crooked like that. Hold on, there we go. I wear glasses. And the next one is called, so the next pair that will go in this drawer is what I am calling Nightingale, after my boo. Nightingale. So far this is how it's looking, and as you can see, I wear glasses is one of my best sellers. I don't know why, but people are loving these lashes, and I got 9 more of the Nightingales left. I started off with 20. We're gonna go on to the second drawer. Yeah, I'm gonna speed this up, so y'all just watch me work. So I got my first set ready to go. Y'all know I did the first drawer. The next name to go is May Baby. I named a pair after my mommy. My mommy passed away too. I've named gloss after her and some lashes. May Baby. and they were called May Baby. My mommy name was May. And then Fair Play will be in this drawer with May Baby because that's the next on the list. Okay, we got the lashes out the way. I'm so excited about that. So now what's next to put up, I'm going to put up some of my hair products that I will be putting on my site later on. I ran out of space, so like I said, I'm gonna buy me 2 more Alex 9 drawers for my lashes because I have a lot of lashes. The lashes you all saw me put in there and what you see here is not all. I'm hoping Black Friday will be good to your girl because I'm gonna have a great sale for Black Friday. But look, listen, I ain't talking about nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna look like I'm a little cock deuce. Dang. So anyway, I think I have mousse to put away. I have eyelash glue to put away, and I have some closures to put away. I have lip gloss tubes to put away. Also, yeah, I got a lot of little things like this to put away. This is for all of my sugar scrubs. This is for my body oils. I have those to put away. What is this? Oh, this is my edge control I need to put away. I need to get some labels for those. This is my lash glue I need to put away and get labels. And what's here? Oh, I need to put some more oils away. I need some more storage space because this thing is heavy, so I need to go get another something over there. And I have my oils from Get Suckered. I finally got me some. I'm so excited about that. I have that to put away. Oh, some more pigments here. And my lip oil. And I also need to put away my tweezers. I have so many tweezers here. And I have some new wand tubes. Originally, I was only doing black, but being that my brand is red, black, and silver, I decided to go ahead and start using red tubes. And I finally found me some red tubes. I'm so excited. Can't wait to use these. So we need to put those away. And this is my box of hair mousse. And I have another box of lashes. And then I have some closures to put away over there. Not that many. And then I have to put this away, which is not easy to put this away, but this is what I make my matte lipsticks with and my lip gloss. Don't get me wrong, I do use the Versa gel, but I like to use this because it lasts longer and it stays on better, so I use this from this company. I'm going to use this Top Chef for my mousse. So okay y'all, I am officially done. As y'all saw, I put my lashes away, I put my hair mousse away, my edge control. I put more lashes up here. Y'all saw me move them and put them in here, but like I said, because lashes is my passion, I have a whole bunch of lashes, so I put more up there. I still have more down here to put up, and I still have this box, but that's another day. So let me show y'all. This is my first drawer. These are my eyewear glasses, my Nightingales. In this drawer here is my May babies, which is named after my mommy. These are Fair Play. These are Beijing, and these are my eye dials. Eye dial are one of my best sellers. And then down here is my chocolate dials and my cocoa dials. These has not been selling too good. I think I only sold maybe 5 of my chocolate dial and maybe 6 of the cocoa dials. And down here is my Princess and Summer dial. Does really well, not as good as my eye dials. And down here I have my Bambi's and my Angel dials. Now Angel dial does pretty good as well. As you can see, my Bambi does well because it was enough to fill both spaces. I have tried it, and as you can see, we low on them. They do pretty well. And in this drawer I have British and Maui in this drawer here. And down here I just have my Malibu. And I still have room over here for another pair of lash. And then I have this empty drawer here. I didn't fill them all up, but I do have all of these. These are my Stallions. I have Blinks, Alluring. I have Flirty. I have my Kayla Rays. Now my Kayla Rays are another bestseller. As you can see, I only have 3 of these left. My Beauty Marks, another bestseller. As you can see, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those left. And then I have Enticing. I'm running low on all of them, but some are popping more than others. I have X Factor. Then I have Vanity. And I have Jupiter. I have Boss Lady. Now Boss Lady is doing really well as well. And I have CEO. And then down here I have my Natural Beauties. Now my Natural Beauties, and they are doing well. As you can see, I only have 3 pair left. These Natural Beauties are doing really well. Then I have Ego. Ego actually did well as well so far. As you can see, I have 4 of these left. I started with 20 pairs of lashes of each of these, and as you can see, I'm doing pretty well on selling most of them. And these are lashes that I didn't never put on my site because I just felt like they was too close to other ones, you know. Like, I think I'm going to do a Black Friday sale. I think I told y'all about these before. These are part of my first collection. This was what I had before, but because I lost a lot of my stuff in a fire, so I think I'm going to do most of these on my Black Friday sale because these lashes are so freaking cute. I don't even use this vendor anymore, but yeah, y'all saw me put away the new lip gloss because I did run out of lip gloss tubes. I ran out some of my black, and then I ended up purchasing some red. I do have more black I put in there. I showed you all, so I have red and black in here now. This is how I store them, and this is all of my drawers for my oils and my lip scrubs. And this is where I set my lash glue for now until I do better and get something better for those. So yeah, that's really all I got going on. I ain't really talking about nothing. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you was inspired to organize your product for your business, because that's what this video is all about. I'm trying to encourage the next woman because we are all in this together. We need to support one another. So again, if you haven't had the chance, go and shop my site at www.eye.eyes.com, and you can find luxury lashes over there. You can find your raw hair extensions and glue, lash glue, hair glue, lace glue, and of course lashes and lip gloss. I didn't show y'all my lip gloss because I'm saving it for another video, but this is where I keep all of my lip glosses at, over here. Lip oil is here, and then I got some wand tubes here. So anyway, again, like I said, If you haven't had a chance, go shop your girl's site at www.eye.eyes.com. I'm not really talking about nothing, so look, listen, I'll see y'all the very next time I turn this camera back on. So until next time, until the next video, bye bye. Peace.